Hello there. Are you thinking about starting an e-commerce business? If you were thinking about it 5 years ago, it would be much easier for you. Because of the COVID pandemic, the e-commerce business has become far more competitive than ever. But easier or harder doesn't matter as long as you are determined, dedicated, and most importantly prepared with a perfect plan to execute. Also, there is no perfect time to start a business. I am Mehdi from Ecomclips. Welcome back to another e-commerce session of Ecomclips. Before starting an e-commerce business, you should ask yourself, are you prepared to start your online business? Are you ready to face the challenge? If you are not, go through this video and I am confident you will be more prepared than now. Well, I'll talk about 6 essential steps that will help you to have a better vision, launch your business successfully, and make your business sustainable. There are some business module types that differ the pre-startup phase. These are B2B, business to business, then business to consumer, then customer to customer, and then consumer to business. This audio visual guide will focus on the B2C, that means business to customer business module. So, if you are thinking about starting a B2C business, watch this video till the end. Point number 1, choosing product. First of all, for doing business, you need to sell something. What should you sell? It is the most basic and important question. Also, one of the hardest to answer. Do not overwhelmed by the huge amount of choices available. Think and research about which type of products have regular demand. What is the trend going on? For a sustainable business, do not think seasonal. Of course, you should not miss out on the seasonal market, but in the beginning point, seasonal thinking is risky. Leave behind the products that are too easy to buy locally, fragile, too heavy or large, sold by prominent brands. While selecting a product to sell, you must validate your product market. What's the size of the market? Are there buyers in the market for your product? After that, analyze the market value of the products. Look for the customer base. What's the size of the market? Are there buyers in the market for your product? After that, analyze the market value of the products. Look for the customer base. Who are your customers? Where are they geographically? Do some demographic research on your customers. Make a short list of items. Then dig into online marketplaces and trending websites like Reddit, Pinterest, Google Trends, etc. to be more specific about choosing products. Then point number 2, choosing sales channel. Now that you have got your product, you must decide where you should sell this product. There are options available for you to choose from. You can create your own site or you can sell online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, etc. These are the most popular choices among sellers. If you build a website, you have full control over your business and customers. But you have to put extra effort into driving traffic to your online store site. If you sell on marketplaces, you will have huge traffic from the start to sell, but you have to do business under the umbrella of marketplaces. While choosing a sales channel, consider your product. Certain marketplaces are popular for certain products, such as if you are selling automotive items, eBay is the best option. Cause eBay motors are famous worldwide for their automotive items. Consider strength of sales channel, geographical location of your business, product type, customer base, and costing before confirming the sales channel. Point number 3, competitor analysis. Once you have confirmed the product and sales channel, it's time to do some computer research. You should know who is selling products like yours, how is their customer base, and whom they are targeting. By doing computer research, you will gather knowledge about market and competition, and overall you will face fewer challenges in near future. You will know about the strength and limitations of your competitor. Then prepare yourself to fulfill those gaps and come up with a strong business plan. Competition is good. If there is no competition, there is no market for the product. During computer analysis, don't forget to look for competitors' market share, value point of their products, target customer base, the price range of their items. Point number 4, how to obtain products. Sourcing your products is the next big plan to start your business. There are 4 methods to source your products. Manufacturing your own products, You can manufacture your own products. Handmade products are lower in price and are unique. It gives you full control over quality and branding. But it has some downside also. Time commitment and scalability is a common issue if you make your own products. Hire manufacturer. You can hire a manufacturer to produce your products. If you have a unique idea about a product and you can create demand in the market, it requires a large upfront cost. You should look for a different manufacturer to come up with the best deal. Buy wholesale. Buying wholesale is less risky compared to other options because you are buying brand products that are already in the marketplace and have high demand. If you want to run your business quickly and sell different items from the start is the best option. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is the cheapest option available if you want to keep the startup cost low. Point number 5. Prepare a business plan. After all that we have discussed, now it's time to lay a proper business plan. A business plan is the roadmap to align your efforts and help you focus on what you want to achieve. You should know what to prioritize to build a successful business. A business plan helps you clarify your strategy and understand the obstacles you can face. A business plan will have these parts: executive summary, company description, marketing analysis, management and organization, products and services, customer segmentation, marketing plan, logistics and operations, and financial plan. While processing a plan, don't forget to do a SWOT analysis. You should know your strengths and weaknesses so that you can work on them before you go out in the field. Research and build a proper business plan according to your goals. Point number 6. Name your brand. You are almost prepared, nearly there from where we can start. But to start your business, you need a name that will represent on the e-commerce platform. You must come up with a name that talks about your business and your products. Look around you. You can see every successful business has a great name that becomes a brand. Take time because naming is confusing. Think about your product and service. The name must relate to them. Also, you should create a simple but memorable and versatile logo that will be signature of your brand. Don't take this step lightly. You can design a logo on your own or you can hire a graphic designer to create your brand logo. These are the 6 most basic things you should consider before starting your e-commerce business. Think about why you are starting your business and what is your purpose and goals. These things help you clarify your vision and reach your goal quickly. The pre-startup period is as important as starting your business. I hope this guide will make you more prepared and help you preparing a well-planned business strategy. If you find this video helpful, like and share this video. Also, for any additional information, feel free to comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Ecomclips and hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Till then, goodbye.